What's up, you guys? My name is Justin. This is Forever Self-Employed. In today's video, we're going to be doing the cleanup process on a new flip truck that we got. This is a Ford Ranger. We recently got this one. What I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to walk you guys through it. We're going to clean it. We're going to take it from where it is now to where it needs to be to flip fast. And I'm going to take you guys through that entire process. So if you're interested in these flips, be sure to hit the thumbs up button for me, as well as the subscribe button, so that way you guys get notified when I drop these. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at the inside of this one and see what kind of work needs to be done to get it ready to flip. So first things first, off the bat, you guys are going to notice two different headlights here. At least it looks like two different headlights. They spray painted the inside of this one. I'm not sure. We also have a Ford Emblem that's pretty faded. We got this truck at a good price. It did need a little bit of mechanical work, so we're gonna have to pick and choose our battles on this one. We're gonna list out basically everything that we could do to it, and then we're gonna decide what's gonna be the most cost-effective, what's gonna really move the needle to get this truck sold as quickly as possible. So Pops is doing the honor on the hood raise here. It looks like this is gonna be what, a 3.0 liter V6, Dad?
3.0, yep.
Right, because anytime it's a 4.0, it usually has a 4.0 right here. But engine looks good. Obviously, we're about to go take this to the wash and get everything rinsed down. One of the things that we noted just from the walk around is the door handle does need a little bit of leverage in order to pop it open. So that could be something on our list that could get fixed. If we take a look at the inside here, it is pretty dirty. We're gonna have to make a decision on these seats. I might be able to see if I can find some for a relatively cheap price, some new ones that don't necessarily have this in it. I'm going to try to clean these up as good as I can, and we're going to see if we can make do with what we have. The one thing that we really like about these is it has vinyl flooring inside. It makes it super easy to clean out. Basically, we're going to pop these seats out. We're going to pressure wash all this vinyl flooring, and it's just going to come out super, super clean. So with that being said, this is pretty much the inside. As you can see, it needs a ton of work, but we're going to do our best to get it where it needs to be. Obviously, Pops is going to do his thing on the paint, as he always does. So we got a couple decisions to make. Do we want to replace the front headlights? Do we possibly want to find maybe a wreck truck with some new seats we can throw in here? Also, this back tail light does have some condensation within it. We might want to replace the back tail light. Another thing is the door handle on the other side is different from this side. If you guys remember, it's black over there, as well as it does need a little bit of leverage to open. And the last thing is we have a droopy headliner here. So we're going to try to repair this as best we can ourselves, but that could potentially be somewhere else our money goes. I think we'll probably end up putting maybe $300 to $400 in parts in it. We just need to make a decision on that and what's going to be the best return on our money. So with that being said, let's go ahead and hop into the cleaning process, and let's see if we can't get this baby ready to flip. Commentary, Justin, checking in for this portion of the video. So what I'm going to be walking you guys through is all the time-lapse portions of this cleaning video. If you are enjoying this so far, be sure to hit that thumbs up button for me, as I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. Let's try to run the thumbs up on this video. I've actually already sold this vehicle. It's kind of becoming a trend now that as these cleaning videos are posted, the selling process has already been completed. So if you guys are interested to see how much I paid for it, how much I sold it for, and how much money I made, and we made a killing on this one, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. I'm going to set a like goal on this video. If this video gets 500 likes, I will release the selling video. Otherwise, it'll just come out whenever it comes out. But if you guys want to see it sooner, be sure to hit that thumbs up button for me. As you guys saw, Pops pressure wash the engine bay, as well as we're hitting all the door seals. We're hitting all those, tight spaces where dirt is. Just kind of gives us a heads up or a head start on the cleaning process to get everything looking good. And Pops is doing his work on the paint right here. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it back over to myself for the next talking portion. All right, what's up, you guys? It is a new day. We actually ripped the seats out of the truck. We got them over there. I'm going to give you guys a quick look on the inside of what it's looking like now. Give you a quick preview of the seats before we actually start steam cleaning them, getting those looking good. I'm hoping that we can have it listed today. I mean, there's really not a ton that needs to be done with it. Seats need to be treated, inside needs to be wiped out, as well as all the floorboard needs to be cleaned. So I'm gonna go and flip the camera around and show that to you guys real quick. So as you guys can see, no more seats in here. Like I said, vacuumed out real good. I'm just gonna scrub this whole thing down. The cool thing about these vinyl floorings is they're just so easy to clean, and they come out so clean. It's not like carpet where they hold stains and all that. So this is gonna look a ton better by the time I'm done with it. But I'll kind of give you guys a look at the seats. We're still uncertain on what we're going to do with these seats. I think that they are savable. However, if there was a pair of brand new seats for relatively cheap, I'm not saying that I wouldn't pass up on them. So let me get cleaning, and I'll keep you guys updated on the progress. All right, so let's go ahead and get the inside of the truck detailed. First and foremost, we're going to take care of these seats right here. We've been pulling the seats out very recently. We typically wouldn't pull seats out. I mean, in most of the flips that we've done, we usually just clean everything with it inside of the truck. However, it is extremely easy. Only about 4 bolts on each side. So we went ahead and took them out on this one. I will say moving forward, if the carpet is dirty, we'll probably end up taking the seats out because it really makes it a lot easier to clean the carpet, or in this case, the vinyl, because you're not having to fight the seat the whole time, as well as you can see more stuff. And then once you pull it out, you can really hit more of the seat because you get to see all the cracks and crevices. But if the carpet isn't dirty, we probably wouldn't even pull them out. What you guys are looking at now is I'm cleaning these floor mats that actually came in the vehicle. They were a nice set of floor mats, and we ended up going back with them, except for the ones in the back because the one in the back was too big. They were just dirty, so I was hosing them off. We don't typically go back with the ones that come in the vehicle, but these were actually in pretty good shape, so we went back with them. Right here, you guys are seeing the beginning of the vinyl flooring process. I just went ahead with a vacuum cleaner, pulled out all the loose dirt, and then you guys are going to see me come back in with the hose here in just a second and sprayed everything down. I also covered up the plug-ins for the seat there at the bottom, but I didn't put a ton of water in here, just enough to get it wet, scrub it, and then get it clean. All right, guys, so we're wrapping up for today. I can't show you the outside because, unfortunately, the outside is pretty much done. It's pretty close. We did order new headlights for it because one of the headlights was darker than the other one, as well as we did order a new Ford emblem. I'm just going to wait to reveal that closer to the end of the video. However, we're coming to a stopping point. I'm about to sell my last vending location today, so we are going to have to go move some machines right now, so we got to get out of here. But we ran into a little bit of a stopping point on the seats. We really need to figure out what we're going to do with the seats, as well as we still need to glue down the headliner. We were going to try to get it posted today because typically it takes, about a week to line up enough prospects, but it's just not ready to be shown yet. So I'm going to show you guys these seats. We're going to have to figure out a solution for these. I'll probably be calling some junkyards this week, but let me show you what they look like even after they're clean. This right here is the passenger seat. As you can see, still stained, still ugly, and for what we want to get out of the truck, we really need a better seat, honestly. So I'm gonna have to wait until the next clip probably to show you guys what the finished product looks like. However, we got to fix this seat dilemma. Good thing for you guys, you're watching the video. It's already been recorded, so you'll see what we did. What's up, you guys? New day. Time to finish up the Red Ranger. We got to get this thing posted. With regards to the seat issue, still yet to find really a solution to that. So we're just gonna post it and roll what we got for right now. I did get some parts in. I'm gonna go show you guys the parts that we got. So we did get some new headlights. Also ordered a new Ford piece. However, the one that I got in was too small. Probably should have measured before I ordered. However, we didn't, so we're gonna have to roll with that one for right now. The seat right here, this needs to go back in. The inside will pretty much be finished out. Just a few little small things. We also ordered some new center cap pieces for these rims. We're going ahead and installing those right now. Those are the old ones. New ones look a lot better. So just a few little small touches that we're going to do to finish this thing out, and then we're going to go ahead and get it posted up today, see if we can't get some interest on it. All right, time to get these new headlights installed. As you guys could see, there was a little bit of a color discrepancy between the two of them. One was a bit darker. I'm not sure exactly why one was darker than the other. It just was for whatever reason. It wasn't extremely necessary that we swap out these headlights. However, just a lot of times in these vehicles, we want to get them to look the best that they possibly can, and there's just no telling what people are going to come up and say. Sometimes we get them looking a little too good. I've had scenarios where we've swapped out headlights. Maybe we put a new little front bumper license plate. As you guys can see, we got the Ford one there, and somebody will walk up and go, oh, this front end must have been wrecked. It looks way too good. I actually had that happen. So we ended up swapping these headlights out. I think it made a huge difference, as you're about to see, and yeah, it just came out great. Check it out. We got new headlights. We got our plate installed. We just don't know what to do with this Ford emblem, so we're going to try to actually plasti dip it and see how it comes out. We think it'll really finish up the front here. Man, I cannot wait to see all the comments that I get on the plasti dipped Ford emblem. This kind of just shows you how far we're willing to go on these, just to make them look as good as possible. It's not even necessarily that we do this either, but this is the reason why I can sell them so fast. This truck literally sold in about half a week just because it looks so good. And I'm sure a ton of people in the comment section are going to be like, oh, that plasti dip will never last. Hey, look, I've plastic dipped my own vehicles, and I know how long they last. You know, will it be a permanent solution for forever? No, but once it does come off, will it be the exact same as what it would have been? Absolutely. So either way, it's a win-win. And as you guys are going to see here, I think it actually came out pretty good, in my opinion. So Pops did some handy-dandy work on the trimming on this one. I went ahead and threw this tarp on there. We just cut a little hole in it, tape the edges, and as you guys can see, I'm applying coats. There is time in between these clips. I just had to put them all together so it didn't get boring. Check it out, you guys. We got plasti dip on this Ford Emblem. We're gonna see how this comes out. You know, you never know what the end product's gonna be, but all you can do is just try your best, right? This is the one that I ordered for it. It came out way too small. You can't really tell from the video, but it is smaller. So we got the chrome piece that's going to be around. Hopefully that comes out clean, but it will be blacked out. Hey, it might even be a cooler look than this. Who knows? Maybe I could avoid paying this kind of money next time, you know? Of course, this is a pain in the ass trying to mask off all this stuff and do that whole deal. But hey, 2 birds in one hand, 6 dozen in the other. All right, you guys, so we're getting super close to the unveiling of this one. If you guys made it this far in the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button for me so I can put out the selling video. Watch me sell this thing live. Go ahead and hit it. Be sure to stick around to the very end so you can see what the finished product looks like. And yeah, make sure you stay around for the word of the day as well. All right, you guys, we got another one complete. Behind me, as you can see, she's a beauty. She came a long way. So I'm gonna go and flip around this camera and show you guys the final products. I've already taken the pictures. It's gonna be posted tonight. Hopefully we get some interest on it, but let's go ahead and take a look at it real quick. All right, so as you guys can see, new headlights we put in our plate, and also that is a plasti dipped front Ford Emblem. I think it came out absolutely great. I think it cleaned it up. I think it polished it up real nice. As you guys can see, the paint looks absolutely beautiful on this thing. Little Red Ranger looks incredible. I'm sure it's going to go very quick. Pops is going to do the honors popping the hood. I'll kind of take you guys a walk around. Man, Pops did his thing on this paint, huh? Always. So if we take a look at the back, pretty clean. Come around back. As you can see, this Ford Emblem's kind of jacked a little bit too, but hey, there's going to be some pieces that can't be perfect on it. Go take you guys around, show you the engine bay. Man, that thing cleaned up nice. I'll give you a close-up of what this emblem looks like. As you can see, a little piece right there, but other than that, it's pretty good. Better than what it was. So anyway, that's what this looks like. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. Inside came out very, very clean, except for the seats. Unfortunately, we didn't have any solution for the seats. One thing that Dad did fix was he stitched the hole that was here, and I believe there was another little hole on the side. So that came out very well. For whatever reason, I could not pull out any of these. I don't even know what this is. Maybe it looks like somebody put like an iron or something on this. Damaged the seat for whatever reason. So the seats would probably be the worst part about the vehicle, but that's all right. If we take a look at the inside, as you guys can see, dash came out very, very clean. We got floor mats in here. We love this vinyl right here because it just cleans up so nice. I think it's as clean as almost anyone that we've had. Only thing is, we just wish the seats could have been a little bit better. But you got to take what you can get. You got to roll with the punches. So that is the truck. Make sure you guys subscribe to see how the selling process goes. Pops, what should the word of the day be?
I don't know.
I love to pass it off. I do this all the time. I just pass. Whoever's with me just gets to pick the word of the day. The word of the day is going to be Pops, because Pops is the real MVP on this one. I mean, he took this paint to another level. So comment down Pops below. I'll hashtag you a real one. My name is Justin. It's Forever Self-Employed. And until next time, hustle
Peace
hard
out.
and get that money, baby. Peace.